there we have it. That's our chicken Ghazala, North Indian mildly spiced curry. It's fantastic. It's very fragrant. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rick. Today, a North Indian curry. We are making chicken Ghazala, a fantastic creamy curry, and I'm using chicken thighs, and I've taken the skin off, I've taken the bone out. Now you can use chicken breast, you can do anything, it's up to you. Two jobs to do: marinate the chicken, make a cashew paste. This is a superb curry, very mildly spiced, more aromatic. Okay, chicken thighs, want a little bit of white pepper. In there with some salt and some garlic ginger paste and yogurt in there. Yogurt or curd, whatever you know it by. Come on, get it in. And we're going to give that a mix up. And it's a hand-in job for me. I've got a glove on today, but you know, you don't have to. Come on, you're making your own dinner. So in there, mix it in. There you go. Okay, marinade overnight preferably, but you know, minimum 40 minutes. Cashew paste, I've been soaking these cashew nuts for about 25-30 minutes actually. So we want those in a blender. Straight in there, and we're going to blend them up into a paste. I might add just a little bit more water. So give them a blend. Now it honestly doesn't matter if you've got any lumps and bumps in there, but we've got a nice paste, and it's quite thin actually, but not to worry. Okay, bring in a pan, let's have a flame on, and we want to go in there with about 3 tablespoons of ghee. And you can use oil as well, or a mixture of both. I'll just put a little splash of oil in there. Okay, bay leaf, cinnamon, green cardamom and cloves. A little one of those in there. Let it bloom, let it release its flavors and oils into that ghee. In there, onion. Now with this dish we want a golden on the onions, not a browning. In there with a couple of chilies, and I've just split these with a knife. So don't rush this, we want a nice little bit of a golden on here. Just take your time. About 7 minutes, somewhere around about there. Just keep it moving so it doesn't burn. Okay, turn down your flame a little bit. In here I have nutmeg and mace. Now I've just freshly ground the mace. There you go, there's the mace. It's traditionally in here, but if you can't get it, don't put it in. What a beautiful smell. In there, our chicken. Turn the heat up a little bit now. We want to start trying to cook off this chicken in here. Smells incredible. So it's a steady one, not much on time to do with this, to be honest. You need to be cooking your chicken so it goes opaque, okay? We want to give it so it gets that whiteness and not that pink on there, you know. So just give it a little turn over as we're going. We got a bit of an opaque going on there. We want to be going in with our cashew paste, and we're going to give this a cooking for about 3-4 minutes. Now when you add the cashew paste, you've always got to remember to give it a stir, because it's going to slightly thicken and we don't want it to catch on the bottom of the pan. You can see it's thickening up already. But just don't walk away, give it a stir until we add the milk and cream. It smells absolutely out of this world. A fantastic, fantastic fragrant smell from the mace and the nutmeg. Oh, and the rest of the spices in here. You know, the cardamom, the cinnamon, cloves. It's just fantastic. Okay, we want to be adding our milk. Now, this is just regular milk. Add it around the outside of the pan so it warms up as it goes in the dish. It's not crucial. And in there, some cream. Little bit of sugar. Let's bring that in, and we've got this lovely creamy sauce. That is beautiful. This is about a 10-minute cook now. The chicken will be cooked through perfectly and we will get a nice silky sauce. All you got to do is just keep giving it a little stir. We don't want anything to this catch on the bottom. Okay, that's done in my book. That is a beautiful, silky, creamy sauce there. Now you decide, do you want to leave the bay leaves in or do you want to take them out? And do you want to take that cinnamon stick out? Entirely up to you. That is sensational. Now that is flame off. Okay. You have to test for seasoning. Now I know for a fact that this is fine, but we've got to do it. Come on. It's superb. Absolutely bang on. Now if you wanted to add salt, add it. Right, here's the final ingredient. Okay, either rose water or kewra water. Entirely up to you which one you choose. I'm choosing rose water. So I'm just going to go in there with about a teaspoon. There you go. And I'm using the rose water. Stir it through. That gives that extra fragrant addition to this dish, which is required. Now you can drizzle over some ghee or some butter, a tablespoon at the end if you so wish. I don't want it, but that's up to you, okay? Come on, let's serve it up. And there we have it, that's our chicken Ghazala, North India mildly spiced curry. It's fantastic, it's very fragrant. That is sensational. In here, our chicken, look at this. Hey, come on. Oh. Oh. That is off the charts. That is a superb, superb curry. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Absolutely amazing. Fantastic, mildly spiced, very aromatic. It's delicious. Now, for all those people who eat kormas in the Western world, this is a must try. This is a must try, next level curry, way up from korma. It's delicious. And serve it with a little bit of onion salad. Onion salad is red onion, a little bit of chaat masala on there, and a squeeze of lemon. Oh. That is outstanding. Amazing. Serve it with rice if you want. Just serve it with anything you like. It is amazing. It's an amazing curry. Oh yeah. Oh, that's incredible. I'm not going to be able to stop eating this. There you go. That's incredible. Share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make chicken ghazala. North Indian, mildly spiced curry. In fact, it's more fragrant than spice. It is delicious. If you like what we're doing, smash that like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.